Oh, what's up YouTube? How's it going? I'm back again for another random video. Here's the unboxing of the Dyson V15 Detect Total Clean. Picked this bad boy up for $1,000 at Canadian Tire. Got it for $6.99 on sale. And I got about $90 Canadian Tire money, because I'm the MAN. This has been out for about 2 years now. Sold my last one for $400, so basically paid like $200 really for it. Up to 60 minutes of runtime, auto reacts and dust and floor tight. 230 AW powerful suction, 5-stage advanced filtration, and then the Francais. Oh, there's a middle one. There's that. Oh, nice. I won't be testing it. I don't care to show that stuff. Just showing you what the package inside looks like. All your funky attachments. Very nice material. Heavy duty. Typical Dyson. Giving you some good quality. What do we got here? Some more attachments. I don't really use any of these attachments. I just use the roller head. The carpet roller head for my little house there. That one pretty much standard with every Dyson. Holy moly. You like take each one out of the freaking package here. What do we got here? Ooh. Guessing that's to hold it. I'm not sure what that one is. Okay. Some more attachments. The laser. This alone is $100. And what? The new one that just came out, the laser's brighter. Like, hoo. Like, how much more upgrades do you need? Like, is Dyson becoming the new iPhone? Oh. Hey, wrap the pole. Hey, wrap the pole. Like, now this is a beating stick. There's some good patty wax with this. Wonder what kid on Christmas gets this. Son, you can now clean the house. Thanks, Dad. And we got, like, imagine returning this and having to put it back exactly the way you found it. Whoa, that sounds neat. Look at this thing. English. More English. Shows you the runtime. I think it auto detects when to turn on high and low. Look at this laser light. That's cool. Feels pretty heavy. Feels pretty beefy. I like that they moved the canister straight down versus the old one. That's nice. That's a really nice fancy vacuum. Worship me in my new vacuum. I don't think the attachments are going to be the same. I really don't want to have to unscrew the other one. It looks like I might have to.
Where's the remote?
Holy. This is mental. Looks like the same charger. I will go find out. There's all your funky attachments. Oh. But wait. There's more. What is this? What? Oh, okay. Just the anti-tangle comb. Ooh. Fancy dancy. Very nice. There you have it, folks. Basically every attachment. I've never seen more wasted cardboard in my whole life. I put it all back together. If you want to return, that is. There you have it, folks. Yeah, this vacuum's cool. It tells you all the particles and stuff. That's sick. Yeah, thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. More random videos as I try to upload not so often. And I'll talk to you real soon. Bye for now.